In this video, I'll be showing you how to create assignments and goals for your student and how you can view or edit them on your assignment calendar. To start off with, when you log into your Spark platform, you will land on the teacher dashboard. To create assignments for your students, go to the assignment calendar. Start by finding the date you wish to create an assignment on. You can jump to various months or days in your term here. To create a term, click on the term field at the bottom of your left navigation bar. To learn more about creating terms, see our Getting Started video. You don't have to have a term created in order to make assignments. Once you've found the date for your assignment, click Add Assignment on that date or the three-dot menu at the top of the day. In the modal that pops up, you'll have three options for the type of assignment you can create. You can create a unique one-time assignment, an assignment set of recurring assignments, or a goal. For now, let's look at how to create a one-time assignment. First, name the assignment and select the classroom, term, and subject for this assignment. Assignments don't have to have a classroom, term, or subject. These are simply ways to organize assignments on the calendar or in the gradebook. Next, select the students that it will be assigned to, and decide how you want the students to respond to the assignment. Confirm means the student will simply confirm that they completed it. Text means they will need to type a text response in order to submit the assignment. And upload means that they will need to add a photo of their assignment when submitting it. You can also give assignments points. Students will earn these points when they've completed an assignment and you've approved it. They can then use the points to purchase rewards that you've created in your reward store. Again, this is totally optional. Finally, determine when the assignment should be completed. Assignments will appear in order of time on the student portal and on your assignment calendar. You can give it a deadline or a block of time in which the student needs to work on it. Once you have all this information filled out, hit Create and View. You can go back and change any of these details later. Hitting Create and View creates the assignment and opens another modal with more information that you can add as desired. You can see across the top of the modal some tabs for different sections of information. In the Details tab, you can edit any of the details you entered initially. In Plan and Instructions, you can enter instructions that the student will see in the assignment on their portal, and a lesson plan that only you can see. In Attachments, you can add documents or links that the student will have access to. In Submissions and Grades, you can view all the submissions for this assignment as they come in and grade them if desired. Now let me show you assignment sets. When first creating an assignment, select Assignment Sets. Fill out all the same information that you did with the one-time assignment. To the bottom of the page and you will see a calendar where you can create the set. You can select the days of the week on which the assignment should appear and the date range for the set. Once you've selected these, hit Apply Pattern. Pink blocks will appear on the calendar below, showing all of the assignments that will be created in this set. You can select a block and shift it left or right, or delete it entirely. You can also select all the assignments on a certain day of the week and shift them or delete them. You can deselect a day and remove it from the calendar. If the assignment set is created in the way you wish, hit Create and View. Here you can add all the same information that you could with a one-time assignment: instructions, lesson plans, attachments, and links. To edit a set schedule after it has been created, simply find one of the set instances on your assignment calendar. You can easily see which assignments are part of a set by looking for this icon. Click into this instance and either edit the details of this particular instance or click into the set itself. Here you can edit the set schedule in the same way I showed you before. Now let's look at goals. Goals are a unique feature in the Spark platform. These are designed to be useful for schools that allow students to work at their own pace or for students who need more autonomy. To create a goal, select Goal when creating a new assignment. Add all the basic information just as you did for a one-time assignment or an assignment set. And instead of adding a deadline or set schedule, you'll add the goal objective. This is where you will tell your student what they need to complete and the amount of time they have to complete it. You can designate any type of action and unit type you desire. An example would be to tell your students to read a 100-page book over the course of 30 school days. Another example would be to tell your students to complete a workbook that has 32 lessons in it, from the beginning of the term to the end of the term. Again, you can add plans and instructions and attachments and links to these goals. You can also link goals where a new goal will not appear on the student's portal until the previous linked goal is completed. To do this, you would select that they need to start this goal upon the completion of, and then select the goal that they need to have finished. In another video, I will show you how these assignments and goals appear on the student portal and how you can see and interact with their submissions. But for now, let's take a closer look at what you can do on the assignment calendar. You can not only create assignments on this calendar, but also activities for your students. These are simply reminders for the student of an activity they have that day, and they don't require a submission. You can require attendance for an activity, however, and take attendance right here on the calendar. You can quickly see the types of assignments you're looking at on your calendar using the little icons next to the assignment name. This is a goal assignment, and this is an assignment set. You can drag and drop assignments to other days. You can also right-click on both assignments and goals and shift them, delete them, or copy and paste to another day. You can also select the way you view the assignments in your calendar using the filters and view options at the top of the page. You can filter assignments by a certain student, by a different term, or you can change the view and the ways the assignments are sorted on your calendar. You can sort them by subject, by classroom, or by course. Simple sorts the assignments into one simple list. You can print your assignments for your records or for students who don't use a device. To learn more about other features on the Spark platform, see our other tutorial videos or schedule a free live demo.